The Personal Care Products Council is the voice of the beauty industry. We're the umbrella organization that represents over 600 innovative companies. As the voice of the beauty industry, we advocate on behalf of the entire industry in many, many areas.
I feel really lucky to work with such an amazing group of people. It's a fun industry. I tell people it's next to the film industry. I think it's probably the most fun and most glamorous you could get. I can see that our products really do make a difference in people's lives, help them to feel better about themselves, and the development of the Look Good, Feel Better program really allows companies to feel like they're enhancing women's lives at a time when they're most vulnerable.
Our companies have been incredibly committed to making the lives of women going through cancer treatment just a bit better, and by giving them back their self-confidence. Our communication should tell the story of our industry, that we are a caring, responsible, and scientifically driven industry. That's what's important, telling that story, bringing people into our world.
I have already lived in the trenches. I've worked in the labs and worked on the manufacturing floor and have had all of these different experiences throughout the product development cycle. So when there's an issue that our member company is having in the area, in a scientific area, I can really relate to that because I've often been in their shoes before.
We went out there and started the first cosmetic ingredient dictionary for uniform nomenclature. We developed the voluntary cosmetic registration program, as well as the Cosmetic Ingredient Review program.
This group, CIR, was developed in 1976 as a joint function with the FDA, industry, and consumer groups. And so it's an amazing group. It's an expert panel that are dermatologists, toxicologists, and chemists that are independent and provide this expert review in an unbiased, open manner on cosmetic ingredients.
We're able to speak with one voice, and all of the associations together, whether it's from Cosmetics Europe or whether it's our partners in Canada or in Japan, whatever country is going to be impacted, we are bringing all of the voices together and speaking with one voice.
So our industry is doing all we can to support more global alignment of cosmetics regulations around the world. We've made it a top priority to work collaboratively with our sister associations in other countries and to promote good regulatory practices for our industry. It's critical that our industry voice be strong, persuasive, and united.
It's important that we all come together under this umbrella organization. So when we're advocating for a piece of legislation, they trust and they know that the council is speaking for the industry.
What's happening in Washington today is you've got incredible divided government. You have gridlock. If you want something to happen, you have to have a lot of patience, and it takes a long time. But you need to have a central group, a central association advocating a unified position at the federal and state level if you're going to be successful.
Each one of us is advocating for this industry, whether it's on Capitol Hill, whether it's to consumers and the internet face that goes to the public every day. We're all advocating for the appropriate oversight and representation of this industry.
The relationship of the industry with the FDA and the association with FDA is extremely important. We want a strong regulator because that gives confidence to consumers who are buying our products that they're safe. And it's important to have that relationship with FDA and through the association bring that relationship of FDA to the companies.
We need to be able to be the voice of the cosmetic industry before FDA and our regulators.
I think the council is unique because of the level of personal service we're still able to provide and the long-standing personal relationships among so many of the staff members with the company people.
I believe in the safety of our products. I believe in the fact that our companies want to do the right thing and are doing the right thing. I believe they're making a real difference in people's lives. I believe that these products really enhance quality of life. And that's what makes it easy to do my job on the public affairs side, because I believe we are on the right side of the issues.
We are a catalyst for the industry. We definitely are enhancing the reputation of the industry. We're also creating an efficient business climate for the industry. And then we are protecting our members, their ability to create and their ability to sell safe, innovative products around the world.